up, you guys?
Howdy, howdy.
Living life here. I'm Tara.
And Austin.
And we are bringing you another campground review.
Yep, and this happens to be in probably one of my growing favorites, Texas city-wise.
Texas Hill Country as a whole is beautiful.
Yep.
But New Braunfels, Texas is where it's at, you guys. All the little small surrounding towns around it and New Braunfels itself. There's so much to do in the area.
Yep.
Like, we
lot.
just couldn't get enough. We were there for an entire month. And we did stuff. I mean, we could have just, we could live there if it wasn't.
There's a bunch to do there.
Yeah, if it wasn't expensive, maybe that would be where we would settle down.
Yeah, this RV resort is called Camp Landa RV Resort, and it is located literally right in the heart of New Braunfels. And when I say right in the heart, it is right in the heart of New Braunfels.
Which, let us point out and say that it is right in the town. So, like, everything surrounds it. But when you pull into the park, the way it's set up and how it's surrounded by trees and it does feel, it's quiet. It feels secluded. But it's right there in the midst of everything. Yeah, I think so it's 5 minutes really cool.
From downtown New Braunfels. It's just right outside of it. So everything's right there. Landa Falls, everything, floating, all that good stuff. But we will get into that and what this park has to offer.
First, let's talk about the park itself. How many sites, cabins, how you can stay.
This RV resort has a total of 111 RV sites, full hookups, all of them. It's a mixture of pull-throughs and backups and premiums and bigger sites. But I will say that even the non-premium sites are very wide. Everything there is spacious. The roads are massive.
The grass. Let me just talk about their lawn care. I mean, that's big for me. I like a nice grass that my kids can play in, that the dogs can play in. And their yards are immaculate. They work on them every single day. I saw someone working on the yards. It's just, to me, I like a good yard. So that sounds so old, doesn't it? But no, their sites are spacious. Let me just say, we stayed for a month in site 78. It was a back end, but you back up to a creek and trees, and it's just beautiful. So that was, I mean, that's the only site we stayed in, but that was my favorite site. Our site was my favorite site.
Yeah, so along with those RV sites, there are also 5 cabins that they have to offer. So really pretty cabins. We didn't get to go inside of the cabins, but the outsides look awesome. So.
Yeah, no, they're, I mean, super cute. So if you don't have an RV, you can still go there and stay. And now let's talk about the amenities.
Yeah, so there's a bunch of stuff to do here.
What was your favorite?
I don't know. It was all pretty cool. I mean, the pool's kind of their main feature, right? It is a heated pool, and it includes a swim-up bar, which is super cool.
Yeah.
You can actually order food from their Yum Yum Cafe, and they'll bring it out to you at the pool, right on the bar, or they'll actually take it to your site too. So that's a pretty cool little feature, I think. Yeah,
having that cafe and their camp store.
Yeah, tons of stuff in the camp store. It has pretty much everything you need. It has alcohol. It has. You
could go there and stay and not even leave. Really now you're gonna want to leave because, like we were saying, the stuff to do in New Braunfels is amazing. But you could go there and never leave. They have everything that you need right there on site. Yum Yum Cafe. We've had cafes before that are in the RV park, and it's just like, food's okay, whatever. This food is actually,
the pizza was great,
delicious. His favorite was the buffalo chicken pizza. Just get it with no onions. He lost his mind that I didn't take the onions off the first time. But it is delicious. All the food that we tried was so good.
Yeah, so like we said, the camp store, they have everything you need in there. That also has some arcade games for kids. It has a ping pong table in there, and they do movie nights in there as well. So it's kind of just like an all activity center.
Their activity center. That's what I was going to say. And let me just say that, you know, if you've stayed at a Jellystone before, you know that they schedule activities for the kids all day long. Camp Landa is the same exact way.
There's always something going on.
They have an app, their own app that you download whenever you check in, and they send you notifications of the activities that are going on, or you can go in there and go to the activities and check it. It's really cool. It reminded me of a Jellystone because of all the activities for the kids. So we literally were never bored.
Always something to do.
Outside amenities. They had gaga ball, a big jump pad.
They had a basketball court,
playground,
they had pickleball courts.
I mean, the list goes on and on and on.
Yeah, they had a playground, they had the jump pad. There's a community fire pit, which is pretty cool, and they did like s'mores nights where they light that. They do have little fire pits at the site. When we were there, it was 100 degrees, so we didn't do a fire, but they do have that option for you. They sell firewood and all that good stuff.
Yeah, they do s'mores nights, and
they do offer campground Wi-Fi. We carry our own, so I didn't even jump on that and test it, but campground Wi-Fi is what it is.
I'm sure it's, I mean, judging by everything else they do there, I'm sure it's great.
Probably so, but I can't tell you.
It's hard for us because we just travel with our own.
Just like most resorts, they do have a laundry room. It is for your app as well, so you don't have coins or anything. It's just an app you download, so that's a cool thing if you need that.
I think your favorite overall amenity was the Oasis pool with the swim-up bar, because when it's 100 degrees out, like that's where you want to be. And the World Cup has been on while we've been there, so we were able to watch the World Cup games, the NBA finals. Like it's a party all the time.
It's cool.
But I think my personal favorite amenity is they partner with Landa Falls, which is the longest float outfitter on the Kamal River. So you can literally just sign up, pay for your tickets, and Landa Falls, a shuttle comes, picks you up, takes you to their float, gets you your tubes, you float the river, and then whenever you're done, they drop you right back off at the campground.
Right back there.
So you don't have to worry about traffic, driving,
Very convenient.
Very convenient. If you drink a little bit of alcohol on the river, then you don't have to worry about,
driving home.
You're safe. So having that shuttle pick you up and drop you off was fantastic. Okay, so I do feel like I need to mention that the New Braunfels train tracks, there's some train tracks that run right next to the campground. So the trains run all
the time,
24/7.
But it is they cannot blow their horns or anything there. So
no blow zone.
Some noise.
I don't know what it's called.
Blow zone.
No horn zone. I don't know.
But, we were there a month, and to be honest with you, it didn't affect me at all.
No, I actually liked the nostalgic of it. I thought it just gave it some more character, and I don't mind a train. The kids like trains, so I actually thought it was. Yeah, really
from where we were at, there's some sites kind of like right next to it, so maybe over there, just know that it's there. If you go to book, and if you don't want right next to it or want that noise, just go to the other side. So, but if you don't mind, it's right next to the pool. It's pretty cool, but it's not annoying at all.
With all of that said, you guys, we have partnered with them to do a giveaway. So a giveaway stay. They're doing a 2-night stay in either a cabin or an RV. So if you're watching this and you don't have an RV, you can still enter this giveaway. So make sure you go over to our Instagram. We are running the giveaway from Monday, July 13th to Saturday, July 18th. We will announce the winner on the 19th. They are also including like a little merch bag and some pizza to go along with your stay. And Landa Falls is giving away up to 4-person float. So you can go and float the Kamal River. Like we said, they'll pick you up at the campground, drop you back off when you're done, and you can float the river. So this is a good, this is a great giveaway.
It's a cool place to visit, New Braunfels area. So I think it's a win-win all the way around.
Yeah, it's not hard to enter. It just takes a few little things that you've got to do, maybe 30 seconds out of your time. So make sure that you go and enter our giveaway over on Instagram. And that's it. Camp Landa in New Braunfels, Texas.
So super awesome resort.
We can't wait to go back.
Yeah, it's definitely up there on our resorts in the area, right? Like you said. So if you've never been there, you'll enjoy the area a lot.
Absolutely. So, and as always, if you enjoyed this,
like and subscribe, and hopefully you guys got something out of this. And we'll
have a good
see
day.
you later.
Bye.